Another Epicflows video, you can subscribe. Click the bell so you always get notified. Bust a like, drop a comment, share this 10 times.
Yeah.
What's up guys, it's your boy Radekal Epic, and today's video is gonna be a little different. No, show some up adventure, no adventure video. I actually go tell you my top 10 favorite series of all time, but I do it while I on adventure, so it look exciting and thing. Zine? So this list, based on hypeness. It's not based on popularity, it's not based on what trending or whatever. The series I have on this list, them based on strictly on the emotion I feel while watching the series. So it could be old series or new series. I not say at the body series I ever watch. If I probably go back now and I watch the series again, probably it now go as nice as it was when I originally watched it. But based on the emotions I can remember when I feel when I watch the series, that's how my top 10 list is based on. So join me right now. Let's go on this journey as I unload my top 10 series to y'all while we go down this hill, okay? Alright guys, so number 10 on my list is a movie called Defiance. It's a sci-fi movie and it follows a sheriff who protects a girl he adopted, an alien type daughter, and she have a anger issue basically, so he help her navigate life and figure out her past and etc. I don't really remember really how it go cause a long time I don't watch it, but when I really come home and read the synopsis and tell you what go on. So Defiance, the series, it is a movie set in a future and it follow Earth after a bunch of different alien races attack Earth and then start live together in a peace and harmony. So the different alien races then live together on Earth and them live normal in a different communities. You see me? So we really get to see how them navigate with each other in a community and all like craziness will ensue or like conspiracy them with them break down. So Defiance it nice, but as me say sheriff, the other one her alien daughter them will find by herself and him help her try to figure out her past cause she. Yeah, anyway, so yeah man, Defiance nice.
So I guess you could say Defiance is a melting pot. Humans, Arathians, Castathans, Indigenes, Liberatas, and Sensofts all living in peace. Although, we still have some internal issues we probably need to work on.
Alright, so guys, number 9 on my list is a series called Falling Skies. And Falling Skies is another alien attack movie. Now, the difference is in a Falling Skies, one set of alien at first attack Earth and them kill off all the humans. Only by humans them dead off and you have a bunch of survivors and these. We follow the story of these survivors and how them try to attack back the alien and get back Earth basically. So that we follow the journey then of Falling Skies to see them overthrow the aliens them. And Falling Skies well nice too. I'm not giving no more spoiler than what I said already, but that's a basic side.
We're fighting for our Earth. We don't know what they want, but we're not gonna just give it up.
Alright, so number 8 on my list is a long time show. A long time I used to watch them show. Yeah. In Dark Angel. And this movie really made me fall in love with the actor Jessica Alba. It is bad. And Dark Angel now is a series from way night 2000 them. So it's another post-apocalyptic type series where post-apocalyptic. You have a bunch of genetically modified children, but them grew up now. So we follow a story of one of them named Max, played by Jessica Alba, and she grew up basically as them train them look up at them from them young and genetically modify them and make them be bad and thing. Them wicked, them have some wicked powers and super strength and them type of thing there. So we follow Max escape when she young and she live as a normal, a kind of normal somebody as she a messenger. So really we follow a story now as she have to try to break down the barriers them to find out what them people are what they really genetically modify her do to her cause she have a barcode on her neck. So we follow her story as she a try find all like other kids them where them did experiment pan when she did the young and thing and try stop all of that and all of them something yeah. So Dark Angel, you bought.
I got an anonymous report about a covert genetics lab using DNA to produce a superior human.
What does any of this have to do with me?
The barcode on your neck, Max. I know who you are.
So number 7 is a modern series which still are going now, and it's The Walking Dead. Some people say Walking Dead drop off it nobody as it used to be, but me enjoy Walking Dead still actually. Like certain things happen where me feel like them shouldn't happen and thing, but me can understand, isn't it? So everybody's supposed to know Walking Dead now. A bunch of zombies overtake the world, nobody don't know why, and we follow some survivors as them try to survive and make life in this zombie apocalypse. So yeah, that are The Walking Dead, and The Walking Dead nice. There's a lot of seasons, so check out the trailer and see if you like it, because me like it, man.
The world we know is gone, but keeping our humanity, that's a choice.
Alright, so number 6 on my list is a series where every Friday evening, because I used to have cable 1 year of my life, 1 year or 2 of my life, I never have cable. I think I do G-Sat, and my mother cut off the cable and thing and say, yo, I have to study and things. So, only thing I really have to watch TV and CVM. So every Friday I used to come home and watch Smallville, and we follow a story of how Superman actually become Superman. It did really interesting, you see me? So, I enjoy Smallville. Even though we don't know how the people them not recognize a Clark when him have him with him there. People them not recognize a Clark and all him have is a look glass. You see me? But we look over that still, you see me? Smallville really nice because I enjoy finding out how Clark Kent powers actually work, and you see me when certain things happen, him powers activate. I really enjoy that story a little bit, and especially when other characters like Young Flash and them something that they come in like, me enjoy Smallville, man.
I thought we were focusing on me here.
I don't have a crush on Lana.
Then why don't you ask some other girl out?
Like who?
Like Chloe.
Okay, wait!
Alright, so number 5 on my list is a all-female cast mostly. It's Charmed. You know that old show with the witch them Phoebe Piper, and I not even remember the next name. But yeah man, Charmed. Me used to love Charmed. Me used to watch Charmed on TNT at morning time, holiday time. Yo, Charmed did nice, man. I find out all when them have a baby and them thinking all when Page coming out. Yo, yeah man, Charmed did nice, man. I enjoy Charmed. It's a story of 3 sister witches. Yeah man, so I wanna check out. If me feel like Charmed is one of them show the way, if me watch it now, probably me not go love it as much as me did love it originally when me watch it. But from memory right now, all like emotions I can remember watching Charmed and actually seeing what the sisters are up to. Yeah man, me have to put Charmed on the list at number 5. Yeah man.
We went through the same thing when we first found out we were witches too. Look, you just gotta trust us. Somebody very, very bad is after you.
Alright, so my next series on this list, number 4, is Breaking Bad. Now, me never watch Breaking Bad until Breaking Bad finish it, done, come off of TV, and I enjoy follow Walter White stories because everything just seems believably. I catch cancer, I need to get some money, I go up and I look ride along with him brother-in-law, and him say wah and say they make money easy doing things like you can do, and him do it and doing and blah blah blah. I make money, and me love the whole story of Breaking Bad. I not lie, and I feel satisfied when Breaking Bad did over, because I feel like say the ending is an ending where it's logical, you see me? Even though I never want that specifically, I don't want to continue, but I like how it ends, you see me? So Breaking Bad is a bad series.
See, my partners here tell me that you produce a meth that's 70% pure, if you're lucky. What I produce is 99.1% pure.
Alright, so number 3 on my list now is a fan favorite. I know well I wanna love it. Yeah man, and number 3 is Game of Thrones. Now me never start watch Game of Thrones until it tonight, last season. Cause me as a man, I not like wait weekly pan series, but I mean, like follow trends with that. Everybody talk about, yo, Game of Thrones bad, Game of Thrones this and Game of Thrones that. Me never they watch Game of Thrones when it hot. Me wait till in a final season and I say, yo, me check out that series and now it have a lot of series I can really get into. So I saw me really get to watch Game of Thrones, and me the first episode of Game of Thrones, I not lie, me did stop watch it halfway because I feel like boring away, you see me, cause me never know nothing about these characters and me feel like them are give me too much. Cause me don't know nothing about them, so me stop watch it halfway for the first episode, and then one next time, me try this again and actually watch after the first episode, yeah. And by the time the episode done, the first episode, me dey hooked, you see me, so yeah man, Game of Thrones shot. Yeah man. Even though everybody is saying last season, Khaleesi, whatever, I don't know what happened with Khaleesi, I not give no spoilers, but in our last season, I never like what happened to Khaleesi, but the showrunners them did say, yo, them never have enough time. Them did have to sum up it in a 2 episode, and me never invested all of that, so it never really hurt me like how me see it hurt some hardcore fans, cause me start watch it late, and me watch everything one time, I binge watch everything, so yeah. Game of Thrones was an awesome series. I'm glad to say it do things that I never had expect, and it kill off main characters, which is something I've wanted to see in series and movies for a long time, and I'm finally glad to get a series that I can actually see all of this happening now. You see me, so Game of Thrones is bad, but I watch it again.
You are the bastard, though. The bastard of Winterfell.
Alright, so number 2 on my list is a unconventional series, and it have a kind of deadpan vibes to it, like, let me say, you know, like, jokes that people would consider stiff, like, and that is a kind of, it based in a semi-reality, semi-scripted type of format, and it follow a guy, Nathan, and him have a business degree, and him go around helping small businesses grow with marketing, and it's so funny. No, it's not a series, it's a kind of reality type series, and I love it, I like every episode of Nathan For You. I love it, I not lie, I love every episode of Nathan For You. It thing, yo, cause that's my type of a comedy where you not feel laugh and I force the audience to laugh. Comedy where things just natural, and you see me, so Nathan For You, if you love like them kind of comedy there, just check out a trailer on YouTube or something. If you love that type of comedy there, watch Nathan For You. They're my number 2. I love it, but all the man do some wicked things where him twist real people life, and check out Nathan For You, you see me?
My name is Nathan Fielder, and I graduated from one of Canada's top business schools with really good grades. Now, I'm using my knowledge to help struggling small business owners make it in this competitive world.
Right, so I've given you my top 9 favorite series, and I'm going to tell you some honorable mentions of some series that I really liked but they didn't make the cut. And one is The Handmaid's Tale, yes. The other is Better Call Saul, that's like a next part of Breaking Bad. And my next series, honorable mention, is Parks and Recreation. That's kind of similar to my number 1 pick for my favorite series ever. So yeah, these are 3 honorable mention series. Now, my number 1 favorite series ever is, it's a comedy. You know, I love joke and thing already, so yeah, my number 1 series is gonna be a comedy. Yeah. Yeah, is it, man? Hey, brother? Yeah. So, my number 1 favorite series is, drum roll, yo, it's The Office. Yeah, isn't it? It just, I tell you, every episode of The Office is just funny, and the joke them not forced. Me literally bust out in a big laugh when I watch The Office. Michael Scott just getting a whole heap of different antics in The Office, and it thing just well funny. I not lie, The Office is a series I watch. I think I 3 times watch of The Office. 3 times. I watch it 1 time on cable, and I download the whole series on torrent, and I watch it 2 times off torrent. It thing bad, every episode bad, and The Office is a series where I feel like me is a part of the cast of The Office. I just feel like me involved in all like situations that I go on. I feel like them are my family, you see me? When them happy, me happy. When them cry, me cry. You see me? When them sad and everything, I just feel every emotion in The Office. So this is the reason why I put The Office as my number 1. Because it takes me on a roller coaster of emotions. You understand? Yeah man, so I would highly recommend you check out The Office if you're a fan of comedy. Yeah man, The Office is the body series me ever watch. Even the finale, the final season, at the office. The ending was just so relieving, you see me, like everything just come together, everything with the characters them must strive. You see me, everything I not even remember a word. I strive, whatever the word there where the characters them I not even remember the word there, but that word there, everything where aspire, everything, every aspiration the character them have, them achieve it in the final episode, and it was beautiful, man. It was beautiful. So I love The Office. Yeah, so this has been my top 10 favorite series. This has been my top 10. So yeah, so this has been my list of top 10 favorite series, and I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah. It's your boy Radekal Epic, representing Epicflows. I'm out.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
It's epic out here.
Shout out production.
Radical epic.
Epicflows.
Leash. Big bad boy Jamaica, you know. Kingston.
You know I rep Epicflows when I step into my clothes.